big cities is facing the similar challenge from climate change, and we makers, the local people, governments have to all come together and find solutions that work.
Hi, Felix. Could you please tell us more about yourself? What's your name, where you are from, and what do you make?
So hi everyone, I'm Felix. You can call me Felix, yeah. So I'm from the Nature Conservancy, which is an international non-government organizations, and we focus on conservation works all around the world. And I'm based in Hong Kong. And what I do is to do research on climate change and nature-based solutions. So looking to find the solutions to balance development and also conservations. So in big urban cities like Shenzhen and Hong Kong, we often forget about the nature, but we need nature to protect us from climate change impact. So my research is also involving making connections between the governments and the communities and also different stakeholders. So we also utilize a lot of technologies to help us to do the research and to demonstrate how restoration work, such as restoring mangroves and restoring oyster reef, could help protect the coastline. And yes, so we all strive to become a more eco-friendly and sustainable development in our cities.
Thank you for sharing. So, in your opinion, what is and what has been changing in the maker community?
In my opinion, I think the maker communities is moving like forward to find more like practical solutions that could do good. So it's not just very high tech things, but also down to earth to really help people who's in need, or help environments or ecosystem that is threatened. So yeah, I think there's a lot of potential to leverage what the maker communities can achieve to make the society, make the environment a better place.
So, the last question, what are you aiming and where you are heading next?
So, well, I would like to, yeah, continue making connection with others and try to demonstrate that like environmental protections and development could coexist, and it would not harm the economy. So this is I think like a lot of the big cities is facing the similar challenge from climate change, and we makers, the local people, governments have to all come together and find solutions that work.
That's the end of the interview. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks.